before coming to Nigeria, I worked actually in Beirut. I work in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. I worked in Qatar. And Qatar experience, it was LNG construction. I mean, construction, it's marine construction. It's heavy duty industrial work. But actually there we work on ISO 9000 standards first. Then it was a tough project in terms of safety, documentations, and quality and things, which is like that. It was a great experience for me. When I came to Nigeria, the system changed because it's more primitive. Because we had, I arrived here in 1999, so 24 years back. We had at that time pumps, concrete mixers, that we advanced in a way in the construction industry, civil engineering in Qatar and UAE and something. Here when we see it is more mixers and something. Now we have ready mixed beton in Nigeria. Things are moving. Then I had the interaction with people. This is what made me reach what I am now. Because I have to interact with the carpenter, with the mason. Then I understand the way these people think. And this gave me a push to work more so we can train. So the focus is to train. Train as much as you can. And it will pay back to you. For me now, payback is money-wise, maybe it's not. Everybody say the project which you have done in your career, you are supposed to be a rich man, which is I'm not the case, but I'm a content person. I'm happy with that I have. I enjoy my art. I spend a lot of time with the artists, with the art lovers. It's different world. It's not materialistic world. It's a different world. It's fun. So that's it. There is a way actually what's going on in the Nigerian market. This is dangerous things. They calculate based on who's cheaper to perform the work. And this is a mistake. It's even the quantity surveyor, they should be aware of the market prices of material. If a contractor, unfortunately, some contractor, they want a job. Or some contractor do not have the experience to assess a certain job. So some jobs, if you see, okay, you have this price for the concrete, calculate the cement content, sand, gravel, workmanship, you will have the cost rate, the rate of the cost of the material. If you are giving the contractor cheaper, so what do you expect the contractor to pay from his pocket? Contractors will not pay from their pockets. So if it's a bungalow, there's no danger. But in a story building, there is a danger. So it can collapse. And the experience of contractor is as well, they should be honest enough not to accept to take the jobs or see what to do. It's second issue, there is a way of saving things. On the long run, expensive projects are cheaper in the long run because the maintenance. And what we do here in Nigeria, do not think about maintaining the job. We think, it's performed, that's it. Which is not the case. You should calculate this how much it will cost you with time. Nevertheless, they focus mainly on the facade of the buildings.
Soliwant Group Open Day. From 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the 25th of November 2022, Nigeria will witness Soliwant Pipe and Metals Open Day at our facility center, Alode Eleme One, Rivers State, Nigeria. During this open day, we will showcase a pipeline summit that will offer relevant information, knowledge transfer, and competitive technology in oil and gas and water industries. It promises to be educative and informative. This one-day event is about production of steel pipes and pipeline coating solutions in Nigeria and sub-Saharan Africa. Our organization has excelled in the production of steel pipe and pipe coating solution to oil and gas and water industries for 22 years and now entering the next phase of extensive development and expansion of our facilities, thereby contributing to the economic development of our nation. Soliwant Group, providing steel pipe milling and pipe coating solutions.
June 6th, to be precise, 2000, we started, Soliwant Group was established to provide steel pipes, fabrication, pipe coating, construction, installation and commissioning of oil and gas services. The group include Soliwant Nigeria Limited, Soliwant Specialty Protective Coatings and Paints Limited, Pipe and Metal Industry Limited, and Feed Joint Coating Limited. We are actually a product of Nigeria content, like you know, and we give a lot of kudos to Nigeria Content and Monitoring Board, specifically the Executive Director, Engineer Simbi Kisie Wabote. He has actually been there, and I tell you a little story. 2016, they were here to commission this very facility, state-of-the-art pipe coating plant, and since then they've always been coming, sometimes twice a year, to ensure that they monitor what we are doing and to also be able to explain to the international oil companies the facility that we have been able to put in place in our industrial area.
Decorative paints production, we have the local technology available, very much available. So we'll latch on that large availability of personnel for the production. And for the specialty, for those for oil and gas that needs some high-tech, inputs. Once in a while, we worked with Kima Coatings of Canada for a while, and we have their certification to manufacture their coatings in country. All they need to do is send 1 or 2 people to supervise the process, and that's it. It's not easy, but management is all about using resources available to you wisely. We have a couple of people who we could delegate to. We have trusted hands who we could delegate to, both at the group and at the subsidiary. So we're going to make use of this. It's going to be very challenging at the beginning, but as we carry through, we'll begin to have segments occupied by specialists. That will reduce our job at the top.
After all the money I spent and the efforts of applying numerous weed control chemicals, my farm is still bushy. What do I do now? And the season is fast going.
Good morning, neighbor. I have been greeting you, but you were not answering. I noticed you just keep talking to yourself. What is the problem?
I have used different weed control herbicides on these stubborn weeds on my farm, but the weed seems to keep growing, as if I've been applying fertilizers on it. I don't know what else to do.
Oh, I see. But that is not a problem, my friend. You can use Fosop.
Force what?
Fosop is a reliable non-selective herbicide product from Jubailiagrotec that comes in 5 liter, 1 liter, and 50 gram pack size for 15 liter knapsack sprayer.
Kiko, thank you very much for introducing Fosop from Jubailiagrotec to me. Fosop has killed all the stubborn weeds on my farm. Fosop is truly #1 non-selective weed control chemical. I will tell my neighbors about Fosop from Jubailiagrotec also.
To get more of Fosop, contact 0803 629 9160.
Jubailiagrotec. Let's grow together.
Well, via this way, time will permit us on your unique program. I want to say a big thank you, and thank you for all the inquiries. But again, I want to appeal, whatever help you can render at this point in time, to our friends, relatives that have been affected because of this natural cause, flood disaster. Please and please let us lend a hand at this point in time. And remember, our prayers and our support and our heart goes with you guys. On behalf of production crew, I want to say thank you so very much, and I cannot thank enough all our sponsors, from Jubailiagrotec to Zen Engineering, and more importantly, to Solowar Group. Thank you and thank you. God be with you. I'll see you again same time next week. God's willing. Stay blessed.